Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maura and I'm a physical therapist and certified yoga teacher. Today I'll be sharing a really quick coffee break chair yoga. So under 10 minutes, something you can do when you're taking a break either at your office or if you're working from home. I do recommend having a chair that does not have wheels for safety purposes, and if you'd like, you can back it up to a wall and even put your mat in front of it for some additional traction for your feet. As always, please make sure it's safe for you to be practicing yoga and that you are always listening to your body. Props are not required for this class, but if you'd like to have them nearby to make poses more comfortable for you, you're more than welcome to do so. Be sure to check the description box below for other helpful resources and injury prevention content for yoga and fitness. So let's get started today in a seated mountain pose. Sitting up nice and tall, grounding through the feet, grounding through the hips in the chair, kind of actively noticing what's going on in the body, maybe turning the palms forward or keeping them on your thighs. It's up to you. Sit up nice and tall, like someone's pulling a string straight up through the top of your head, and we'll take 4 rounds of deep breathing, inhaling to a count of 4 and exhaling to a count of 4. Next inhale, raise your arms overhead and exhale to twist, placing your hand on your knee and maybe grabbing the chair behind you to pull you a little bit further into twisting. Keeping your spine upright and keeping that connection to that deep breathing that we started the practice with. Unwind your twist, reach those arms up again, and then gently twist to the other side. Trying to focus on your breathing and your movement right now, taking a few minutes for yourself, and not thinking about the next 5 things you're going to do after this class. Unwind your twist, interlace your hands, place them in the back of your neck, and we're going to do some seated cat-cow. Inhaling gently, just letting your neck follow, arching the back, lifting the elbows up, and exhale, round and close the elbows. Go through a few rounds of this at your own pace. Just bringing the neck where it feels comfortable, not forcing any movements. Rolling through the whole spine from the tailbone to the head. Let's do 2 more. And meet back in just a neutral mountain. Slide your bottom forward on the chair and extend your right leg out to the side. If you'd like, you can shift over a little bit more so that the chair isn't poking into your motion. So coming into gate pose here, right hand on the thigh, reaching the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Careful not to place any stress through the knee here. If you'd like, you can even hang on to the back of the chair if that feels better and lets you get a little further. And exhale, release. Slide that leg back in, cross the ankle over the knee, seated pigeon. You can stay here and gently press the knee open, or if you'd like, you can fold forward to get a deeper stretch. I'm going to actually grab the back of the chair here. That's just a different sensation. I'm getting a little bit of heart opening and hip opening at the same time. It's fun to play around with these poses and find out what feels good for you today. Inhale your way back up, uncross the legs, and we'll repeat with the other side, maybe sliding over toward the left and extending that left foot out here, coming into gate pose, reaching either for the side or the back of your leg. If you have a block here and that range of motion is available, that's good too. Or you can just hold on to the back of the chair and reach up and over into gate pose. Inhale your way back up. Slide that left leg in, cross the ankle over the knee, and choose any variation of the seated pigeon that works for you. Maybe reaching back, kind of getting a 2-for-1 stretch here. Gently come out of any variation you are in, uncross the leg, slide your hips back. We're back in that seated mountain. Let's take one last deep inhale and exhale, inhaling the arms overhead, and then exhale, hands down. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick coffee break chair yoga practice today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you'd like to keep going or try some other practices, here's a playlist here that you can check out. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can practice together again. See you next time.